Sorry, America, but there's another country that celebrates its revolution in July. Welcome back, and today we're creating the Parisian Blonde. Now, the Parisian Blonde was created in 1930 by Harry Craddock, so it is a classic. However, it's named for Bastille Day, which was the beginning of the French Revolution back in the 18th century. Under King Louis XVI, Parisians felt very unheard. People didn't care for what he was pulling. So on July 14th, 1789, they stormed Bastille to liberate a few political opponents of King Louis XVI, as well as looking for ammunition. And after a few hours of fighting, they were successful. How many actually stormed Bastille? Not entirely sure. We know it was in the thousands. This storming of Bastille set off the French Revolution, which ultimately did prove to be successful for a very brief period of time before Napoleon came to power in the late 18th century, early 19th century. So win-loss on an overall basis, unfortunately. But this cocktail was named for that epic event. So if you celebrate Bastille Day, or if you're looking for a nice rum cocktail that's also pretty heavy, good for a end of the night drink, or really in the winter or any time of year, this will be appropriate or should be tasty for you. Let's make it. It's a shaken cocktail, which means, of course, grab your shaker. And first I need Curacao. I'm using Pierre Ferrand dry Curacao. It's recommended that you use this. If you want to use Cointreau or Grand Marnier, you could. And by the way, this is also an equal parts cocktail. And now I need rum. I'm going to use Smith & Cross. It's recommended to use a Jamaican style rum for what's known as its Hogo or Funk. If you want to be more appropriate to Paris or to Parisians, you might look for a French style like Barbados or Bermuda. So Goslings might work, but for the sake of this, I'm using Jamaican and I'm using Smith & Cross. And now, because I know you're wondering what I'm doing with this, I need heavy cream. I need an ounce of heavy cream. This is what makes it very thick and luxurious. And now, grab your ice. Okay, I got ice in, ready. Make sure, take a cocktail, add it. I'm gonna move this over there. Make sure we're all set, good. Shake. Good. And for this, need a Nick and Nora. Grab a Hawthorne and strain. The garnish on this actually comes from Dale DeGroff, aka King Cocktail himself, where he recommends that you do a garnish of freshly grated nutmeg. So, got my microplane, got my nutmeg, right on top. And this is a Parisian Blonde. Cheers. Wow. The rum really takes over. The orange curacao, it's there. You get a little bit of the orange note. You get how it is supposed to sweeten things a little bit. The cream, it's just there to, thicken and enrich this cocktail. It's nice. Maybe not perfectly for me, I'll be honest. But overall, it's nice. It's a decent cocktail, I have to say. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and also share the video, please. When you see the barware that I use on my show, check down below. There's a link to kit.co, which has everything I use in my bar on there. And they are also Amazon affiliate links. All my socials are in the description down below. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.